This IP67 waterproof hard protective case was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and showing you the features up close. Right away, one of the first things I noticed is how solid and durable this case feels. The hard outer shell has a rugged design that's built to help protect valuable equipment during storage and travel. Opening the case, you can see it includes 2 layers of pick and pluck foam. I really like this style of foam because you can customize it by removing sections to create a compartment that fits your gear, whether it's cameras, drones, electronics, tools, or other delicate equipment. The lid also has protective foam to help cushion everything once the case is closed. As I'm showing the outside up close, you can see the patented latches, which feel secure while still being easy to open and close. This case also comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, and I show the modeled attachment points where it connects to the case. Another feature worth mentioning is the IP67 waterproof rating, which is designed to help protect the contents from water and dust when the case is properly sealed. Since Amazon doesn't allow firearms to be shown in videos, I'm keeping this demonstration focused on the case itself instead of its features. Overall, this feels like a sturdy, well-built protective case.